We were visiting some family from out of town, and I probably should have been socializing, but I did bring a drone, and we had only about an hour of sunlight left, so I figured I'd get a couple rips in before fulfilling those social obligations.
Yeah, rocking chair?
And that right there is what it looks like when your battery cable is too loose and it disconnects mid-flight.
Apparently my battery connector was too loose. Let's try that again.
Turned out that last unplanned landing bent a couple of my props.
Oh, broken props.
At this point, I'm realizing that I flew my drone too low, and the hill that goes in front of the lake ended up blocking my signal. Not doing that again. Also, I'm starting to realize that my Grinderino build was not exactly perfect. I think I'm going to upgrade it to 6S.
Okay. Grinderino is terrible. Figure that out. But until then, I'm Babytooth out.
Here we go!